Hello guys, I'm Julian and I'm going to show you how to play Vibes TCG. First, you need cards to play this game, but no worries, if you're a newbie, you will get a yellow starter pack. Back in my newbie days, I didn't know how to win this game, so I played against the AI to understand what was needed to win a match. To win, you need to have played at least 15 cards, and at the end of the vibe check, you must have the Baron on your side. So as I played more, I gained knowledge about cards like strategy and techniques. So I aim to collect more cards to have a wider selection. The better you know your cards, the higher your chances of winning. When I first started playing Vibes TCG, I wasn't sure how to win. So I spent a lot of time playing against the AI to understand the mechanics. Through trial and error, I discovered some key strategy that completely changed how I played. So you need to play at least 15 cards cause you can't win if you don't reach this threshold. No matter how strong your deck is, if you don't play enough cards, victory will slip away. So control the Baron will determine who wins at the end of the vibe check phase. You must have the Baron on your side when this phase concludes to claim victory. By carefully managing my card placement, I ensured that I could withstand my opponent's plays while keeping the Baron in my favor. Strategy and progression. Building a stronger deck. As I played more, I started recognizing different cards and how to optimize my deck. One of the most important concepts in Vibes TCG is understanding vibes. Each card has a vibe rating, and the higher increase your influence over the game. So in this match, my key strategy was to boost my extrovert penguin in my Hoodle, so that if one got ice, I would still have a backup. This redundancy helped me maintain board presence and keep control of the game. So if you're aiming to climbing the ranks, to keep collecting cards. Experiment with combos and learn the meta. So with the right approach, you will vibing your way to victory in no time. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and follow for more updates and for more videos. Bye!